the Salvation Army.
Hey guys, I'm Nadi.
And I'm Nani, and today we're going to be doing a special video. We are collaborating with Sibz from the West Coast, one from the East Coast.
Go ahead, Sid. So today we're gonna send Kristen to pick outfits for us for back to school.
Yes, with my impeccable fashion taste, I should be able to outfit all these girls with some stunning fall looks, if I do say so myself. What do you guys think?
But probably not. Let's go.
Just a quick disclaimer, this frohawk, although it's extremely fashionable, is only temporary. I was wearing it for a costume party, and it'll be coming off soon. But thumbs up this video if you like it. All right, so we're here in the thrift store. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little intimidated. We've got 3 people here that I need to dress, but I think I can handle it.
You need our sizes,
what I'm gonna do, first I have to find the women's section. All right, let's go.
It's right here.
Oh, okay. I knew that.
Who are you shopping for first?
I don't know.
We need our sizes now.
Sizes? No, I can eyeball it. Guys don't ever look at sizes.
Are we supposed to be looking at what you're picking?
Are you sure this is? Yeah,
That's
guys.
ugly.
Tag along. This
Put it
would be
back.
perfect on. I gotta focus. This is important stuff I'm doing. Let's see.
So you know, I like patterns.
I don't want to know. Okay, this is gonna be all authentic.
I like-
Is this a dress or a shirt? It's real hot
A
pink.
dress or a shirt?
I don't know if it's a dress for a smaller person or a shirt for a bigger person. Yeah, this is gonna be harder than I thought. Okay.
Definitely don't bend down.
Get some footage of Ari and I
No other
wandering
phone.
around the store.
Oh, just Ari and you? You
Yeah.
don't want me to be included?
No, you were here.
You don't want me to walk around?
Perfect shirt for Nadi right here. Look at the back. Oh, what's it say?
Definitely a perfect shirt for me.
All right, moving on, because I don't see anything over here. Oh, okay. Some patterns here, some patterns. I like this. Patterns, yeah, patterns. I'm gonna make them look funky fresh though, so it's not like contemporary look, I guess you would call it. It'll be stylish. That's not for girls. Is this the guys section?
I don't think this is going very well.
This is going great.
No, don't even say.
You can't
You
comment.
can't say.
That's the
the
part of the
whole
video.
point.
You guys are gonna look
Look,
great.
Chris.
Gonna look fantastic. Okay. Let's keep it pushing. This is hard. 3 outfits? Man. What I'm thinking is I don't want to do jeans because I have a better chance of getting one of them wrong because jeans could be too tight or too loose, you know? So I'm thinking like, but dresses, I don't know, man. Gosh.
Socks?
I definitely want
wear
this up.
socks if someone else wore.
They're not. They're repackaged. No, some of them nobody's worn. Right?
Who even has a VHS player anymore? Look, books, sis. I think you need those.
Yeah. Okay. I'm liking this.
I really like books, so I'm excited. You know what? If they have a Harry Potter book in here, though, I'm gonna buy it. My little brother wants me to read him Harry Potter books, but they were like $100 and something. What? At the bookstore? Yeah, for all it's like $125. That's like what?
Let's try some blue. Yeah. Blue. I love how the girls have abandoned me, meaning that I have to remember each of what I think, their general sizes. This is shaky ground here. You're asking for trouble. This is nice. Yeah. Okay. All right. These are not bad. Jay, you want to give me a little help here? Nope. All right.
You like this book?
Oh,
Go.
yeah. Magic is dangerous, but love is more dangerous still. When 16-year-old Tessa Gray crosses the ocean to find her brother, her destination is England.
You're not that bad. Don't second guess yourself. I'm feeling a little skeptical about this one though. Let's do it. Jean time. Or, because I didn't want to do pants, but now that I found the shirts, can't walk around pantless.
This is kind of interesting. I might love this. Take a picture of it because I don't believe in buying books. We're going to get this from the library for free. Yay, government.
Nadia, how do you feel? How do you feel in the store?
Do you feel like you belong here?
I don't think those would be the words I use, but there is a lot of things here.
Guys.
Nope. Stylish YouTuber like. Gotta take some risks. You know what I'm feeling? Looks a little Martha Stewart. Yeah. These are psychedelic looking, and they scream. This person has no idea what he's doing. All right. Is this a skirt or pants? These are pants. I'm so sorry. This is not bad. This is not bad. This is not bad. It's summery. Oh, but didn't I say I was getting them stuff for fall? Okay, scratch that. We're doing end of the summer looks.
Oh, look, they have kids' shoes.
The plain one is good. This is not bad.
I think that this one's nice.
Not bad.
Maybe I'll come here to buy stuff like this.
Yeah, I feel like furniture.
I don't know about sofas.
Yeah, maybe not sofas. Yeah, or like decorations.
It's not bad.
Fancy.
Jeans are tried and true. They go with everything. So we should be good. Oh God, I'm completely lost. If I can even get half decent on this, that's a win. Because I can't even see them in front of me. So I was thinking of this for Nani. And one of these, I was thinking of this for Nani. I mean, this for Nani. This for Nadi. This for Sid. Here's the problem with shopping for Nani. She's so short. Even if I find something that I think would work, might be too big. You might have to check over in the kids section. I think these might be a winner for Sid. So this is what I'm thinking for Sid. Real nice. I think it's her style. Nadi's got the pink pants because I gotta show a little flair. Pants for Nadi. Let's do it.
Anyone want to go ice
My
skating?
Anthony doesn't allow me to touch.
Oh my gosh.
They're all $5.
These war. That sounds like a...
This is so creepy, Annabelle.
Hello, my name is Barbie, and I'm going to interrupt Nadi and Nani today. Look, she's threatened by me.
Oh, look at that one behind you.
Oh, no.
Oh my gosh.
Annabelle part 2.
Should we go check in on the boys and then come back?
Yeah, I guess we can go see how they're
Let's
doing.
go.
Too big, too short. Too big, too short. She might need a belt. I think that could work. A little nervous, but I think it's time to show the girls. Let's do it. So, I'm done already.
All
right, so let me-
purchased this sofa though. I'm not even joking. Looks nice.
What? Hey, stay away. Go over there. I gotta lay it out for y'all. All right, so this is what I got. Nani's outfit, Sid's outfit, and Nadi's outfit. I think we're ready for the grand reveal. Let's do it. So, these are the lovely items that I have picked out. What do you mean, no, I didn't? Apparently, they think this is a joke. I'm 100% real.
Can we guess whose outfit?
Sure, yes.
Figured it out. Nani.
It was actually Nadi, Sid, Nani,
No, it wasn't.
but I guess it could switch.
You were joking. Are you?
Apparently. You see the beating I'm taking? Thrift store, so I'm trying to get clothes together.
You could have grabbed a black
found
shirt.
something cuter.
Do you see how brutal they are? Okay, go try them on. What? No,
Jay
I-
picked nothing.
This is all
Jay
me.
picked nothing.
Come on, go try it. Go try it. Go try it. Go try it. They're angry. I don't know. You know, I'm gonna take it with a grain of salt. I think initial reaction, I'm gonna be honest, it was pretty bad. I don't think they really liked it. But holding out hope. I think that once they change and like see it on themselves, that's what I'm hoping. Maybe they'll like it after that point. Guess we're gonna wait here, and then when they're ready, then we will we'll see what the results are. Here we go. We'll see you in a sec.
It doesn't even match.
It does match. We're ready. Okay. Those are not that bad, guys. All right, so on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think the best outfit is? Really? Is that bad, guys?
She has like the best snacks. The best.
Right? Was that for the video? I really thought he was doing something.
No, I feel like
Listen. All right, let's go talk.
I'm disappointed. Zach would have done a better job. Alec would have done a better job. Anthony would have done a better job. Even Jay. And he dresses like he's a flashback to 2000.
I'm guessing, I mean, tell me if I'm wrong, but I'm guessing you may not have loved the outfits
Hated
that
it?
much.
I hated it.
It didn't match.
It didn't fit. It was ugly.
None of them fit?
Nope.
Well, here's the thing. Okay. In my defense, 15 minutes. I did all of it in 15 minutes, okay? And what else can I say?
You walked into the first section and just never left.
I feel like you pick clothes with your eyes closed.
Is that in the video?
That's just hurtful.
I'm sorry, but she didn't match.
Another thing.
Yeah, why did Ariana's outfit?
Listen, I thought it did match.
Fine,
You got to
watch
remember, the
Nadi Nani.
majority of people giving clothes to this place are moms. So
I saw like 20 plain shirts. You could have just picked a plain shirt.
well, I see it as a win-win. If I had gotten you something you liked, it would have been great. And if I didn't, you save your money.
What do you think, fans? Do you think Chris did a good job? Didn't match. You
just
can't
saw-
put blue and red like that together.
It wasn't blue and red. It was blue and pink. It was blue and like.
All right, that doesn't even.
Well, guys, there you have it.
We're up close and personal right now. This went worse than I thought it was.
I'm so sorry.
I'm disappointed.
This crossover was such a bust.
Next time, we're just bringing her. I guess that's our video.
Make sure you like this video
And I'm
if you like
Nani.
this video. If I did a good job with the clothing, go ahead and let your boy know down in the comment section below. Sorry, guys. Go ahead. I'm going to let you have your moment. All right? But Chris made some of the best outfits of all time. I'm going to let you finish.
He said it was for a costume party, but it wasn't.
I'm done.
I'm Nadi.
And I'm Nani. I hope you enjoyed this crossover video. Well, I enjoyed it. Comment, like, subscribe, do your thing. Thank you.